This is your Sharp Pebble sharpening stone. This stone provides an extra fine polish on your blades. To begin, take the stone and submerge it in water for about 5 minutes or until the bubbles are nearly gone. Assemble your stone into the rubber attachment and place it into the wooden base. Start sharpening on the 3000 grit side. Slide the knife away from you. Use light pressure, about 3 to 4 pounds, and gently slide from the tip to the base of the blade. Flip the blade and continue on the other side. Turn over your stone to the 8000 grit side and replace it in the wooden base. Before starting on this side, you may need to add a bit more water to the surface. Use the same sharpening method on both sides of the blade to polish. If your sharpening stone becomes uneven, use the flattening stone to even out the surface.